Hello, everyone. A warm welcome back to Male Secret 60 Plus, your haven for uncovering the secrets to a fulfilling life, men's well-being, and of course, the art of building lasting, meaningful relationships. Today, we're honored to bring you a powerful voice and a brilliant mind to guide us through a topic that touches us all: the science of happy relationships. Get ready for a perspective that will challenge what you think about love and connection. Joining us today, we have the privilege of welcoming the renowned clinical psychologist, Dr. Jane Taylor. With years of research and practice backing her insights, Dr. Taylor invites us to a profound reevaluation. She challenges the popular belief, the fairy tale narrative that Hollywood keeps selling us, that happiness and longevity in relationships are built on grand gestures, those lavish trips, expensive gifts, and public love declarations worthy of a movie. Don't get me wrong, these moments have their value and sparkle, but Dr. Taylor reveals a far more fundamental, robust, and, ironically, more accessible truth. Dr. Taylor states unequivocally, the true strength, unbreakable resilience, and deep joy in relationships don't emerge from dramatic highs or extraordinary events, but from the small things. From the micro moments of daily life, those seemingly insignificant interactions that are, in fact, the real pillars of support. It's in the routine, in what many dismiss as trivial, that the foundations of a lasting love are silently built, or, unfortunately, tragically eroded. Imagine your relationship as an emotional bank account. Every interaction you have with your partner is a transaction in that account, a deposit or a withdrawal. A valuable deposit, no matter how small, strengthens the bond, builds trust, deepens intimacy, and boosts the sense of security. Think of practical examples: a genuine thank you for a simple task, a loving touch on the shoulder as you pass by, preparing their favorite coffee without being asked, listening actively and empathetically to what they have to say, a sincere compliment about their intelligence or strength of character, or even a knowing glance that says, "I'm here for you, I see you." These are the micro-deposits, the true currency of human connection. They're the bricks that form a wall of goodwill, a reserve of affection that can sustain the relationship through inevitable tough times. But what about withdrawals? Withdrawals are the actions that drain that account quickly, leaving the relationship in a vulnerable state. Dr. Taylor, drawing on extensive research, including that of the renowned Dr. John Gottman, warns us about the 4 horsemen of the apocalypse of relationships, true saboteurs of connection. 1. Constant criticism, attacking the person. "You always get this wrong." Instead of the behavior, "I felt bothered by how this was done." 2. Contempt, shown through sarcasm, cruel irony, eye-rolling, or body language of superiority. It's the most potent poison, as it conveys disgust. 3. Defensiveness, blocking conflict resolution by deflecting blame back onto the partner. "I didn't do that." "You did." 4. Stonewalling, completely shutting down, refusing to engage or discuss issues, erecting an emotional wall that blocks all communication. But the heart of the matter, the critical point according to Dr. Taylor, lies in bids for connection. Imagine your partner making a small offer of attention, a sigh of exhaustion after a long day, a casual comment about the weather outside, an invitation to look at something together online, a quick vent about work, or a question about your day. These are bids. Little gestures seeking a response, a confirmation that you're present, engaged, and care. Your response to these bids is monumental. You can 5. Turn toward the bid, responding with attention, a smile, a kind word, or asking more. This is a powerful deposit, an affirmation of "I see you and I care." 6. Turn away from the bid, ignoring it completely, lost in something else. This is a missed opportunity, a non-response that, over time, builds a feeling of invisibility and distance. 7. Turn against the bid, reacting with irritation, contempt, or sarcasm. Don't bother me with that now. This isn't just a withdrawal, it's an aggression that causes deep harm. The research is unequivocal, and Dr. Taylor is clear. For a relationship to not just survive, but thrive and reach its full potential, you need an overwhelming ratio of positive interactions. The famous magic ratio from Gottman, endorsed by Dr. Taylor, states, "For every negative interaction, you need 5 positive ones to maintain the health and happiness of the relationship." Yes, you heard that right. 5 to 1. This underscores the deliberate effort and intentionality we must bring to counterbalance what pulls us apart to truly master our relationships. Dr. Jane Taylor's final message to all of us is a daily call to action, an invitation to personal mastery in the most intimate field of life. Don't wait for grand moments to express love or attention. Happiness and connection aren't utopian destinations. They're a journey, a continuous build, forged in intentionality, mindful attention to detail, and the daily cultivation of gratitude, empathy, and mutual recognition. It's about being present, valuing what seems small, but, when added up, becomes the unshakable foundation of a great and lasting love. Just as you train your body and mind for peak performance, you must train and nurture your relationships for fulfillment. Wow! What clarity and power in Dr. Jane Taylor's words. She's just handed us an operations manual for relationships that actually work, that strengthen us. And if this message resonated with you, if it sparked a new perspective in your pursuit of a more authentic, connected, and meaningful life, I have a mission for you now, a commitment to your own growth and our community. Leave a like on this video. Your like isn't just a click, it's the energy that drives us, the social proof that we're on the right path to bring this transformative wisdom to more men who, like you, seek excellence in every area of life. Plus, subscribe to Male Secret 60 Plus right now. And please don't forget to turn on the bell to be the first to receive our exclusive insights and life strategies. And last but never least, be an agent of change. Share this video with a friend, brother, or colleague you know needs to hear this truth. Together, we are stronger. Dr. Taylor has forced us to face our emotional bank account, and that's one of the most powerful reflections we can have. It compels us to ask, how are our deposits going? Are we truly intentional about nurturing what matters most? Or are we letting silent withdrawals drain our reserve? Now here's your challenge, your immediate mission, which I practically demand of you, member of the Male Secret 60 Plus community, because I know you're not one to procrastinate. I know you value action and reflection that yields results. This isn't a request. It's a crucial part of your mental and emotional training for today. I want you to stop for just a second. Take a deep breath. And without delay, think back over the last week. I'm not talking about a big event, an expensive gift, or a monumental surprise. I'm talking about that micro moment, that small gesture, that subtle interaction, that because it was so simple or unexpected, you might not have given it the credit it deserved at the time, but deep down made a real and positive difference in your day, your week, or how you felt valued and connected by someone. It could have been your partner, a child, a friend, a coworker, or even a stranger who gave you a sincere smile or unexpected help. What was that micro deposit? That small yet powerful proof of human connection? And here's the most important part, the one I really want to see in the comments. Don't just identify it. Comment below what it was and, crucially, why that small gesture meant so much to you in that moment. The why is where the true power of your response lies. It's not just a story. It's a lesson in perception, gratitude, and emotional intelligence. By doing this, you not only solidify your own learning and ability to notice the positive, but you also elevate the energy, intelligence, and connection of our entire community. Don't hold back. Go do it right now. Your voice, your experience are too important to be ignored. We're waiting for your micro deposit and its impact. At Male Secret 60 Plus, we don't just build muscles or careers, we build lives. And fulfilling lives are forged in meaningful relationships. Stay strong, stay connected, and we'll see you at the next level.